Hey guys, welcome to this week's vlog. So right now I'm walking back to my house. We just got back from tutoring, my sister and I. Say hi, Olivia. I'm holding a muffin because my mom baked us some. We're gonna go eat it later. Today is Friday, February 28th, and I thought I would vlog this weekend because it's really nice outside and we have winter formal tomorrow. Trying the muffin. Tastes a little funny, but I like it. Hi, Gracie's vlog.
Toby!
It's me.
Stay out of there.
Oh. Hi. What's up, girl?
Sugar free.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, so they stole my phone. I'm not sure why. I'm gonna go on a walk right now and it's so pretty, so I thought I'd take you with me.
We're always shedding our skin, casting off all of our sins, leaving our luck to the die.
Hey guys, so I'm just putting on a sweatshirt because my sister and I are gonna go on a bike ride. On a bike ride, and we look so funny in our construction outfits. It's to make sure we don't get run over. It's so pretty. Look at this cute tower of oranges. Hey guys, so I haven't talked to you yet today, but basically we moved to mulch and stuff for our dog's area and we went to the store. But now I'm gonna make some lunch, then go get ready. Hey guys, I haven't vlogged in a minute, but I got this little gift basket we're gonna give to each other.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
You want to show the vlog your beautiful dress? Oh, she slays all day.
My newest look like Halle Berry.
Olivia, let's see your dress. Pretty. We'll do a full dress reveal.
Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she's too down.
Hey guys, we're on our way to winter formal. Sorry I haven't talked to you much, but yeah, today has been fun. And Anne was with us because we got ready together. And look how pretty she looks. Oh my gosh. And yeah, we're on our way. I probably won't film, but I'll probably put some clips if I get some. See you guys later. Oh my gosh, show them your nails. Look how pretty.
You elbowed me.
Make it obvious I'm filming for my vlog. Guys, we're at winter formal. Oh yeah, looks fun. We just got here though. Hey. Look at our cool feet. Cabal acquired. Okay. On so many days. I can make it stay. That's what people say. You want to say hi? Oh yeah. Like you're peeking through. Doesn't that look really cool through the window? Like we're peeking into the dance through a window, which we are, but. Hi. We're having fun. I requested this 5 times. 5, not 4. Great. At the start of an age. Young man.
Hey guys, we just cooked up What's Making You Beautiful. We just danced to it, we cooked it up.
Oh yeah.
That's what happened.
Yeah. And
then I brought the
Billie
tea.
Eilish. Hey guys. So I just got home and I have mascara under my eyes, but I had so much fun. Oh my gosh. I just got this in my eye, bro. What am I doing? I'm so tired, but I just want to take this off. I know those video clips were kind of chaotic. They played along live and I requested it like 5 times. And my friend Cassie and her friend, I don't know her name, requested it a bunch too. So they finally played it. Okay, I'm doing my skincare right now, obviously. But I think I'm actually going to end the video here because I feel like all the winter fall footage probably filled this video up quite a bit. But yeah, I went with my friend Isabel and Morgan and my sister Olivia. And then my friend Cece and my friend Cassie. Cece brought her friend and sister. So yeah. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of a weekend and winter formal vlog. I'll see you guys in the next week's video. I try to post every Sunday. Okay, bye guys.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.